What's up? It's Saturday, July 25th, 2026, and we're here at Jersey Gardens Mall in Elizabeth, New Jersey. And right now, let's do a time check, 3:29 p.m. We're just going to be strolling around here today, randomly in the Jersey Gardens Mall. You know how we do, just like a lifestyle kind of thing. So we're just going to see what's crack-a-lackin' here. You see there's quite a bit of people here at the mall. It's a Saturday, so we got some Saturday vibes. We're on the top floor right now. So yeah, we're gonna stroll around the top floor for a little bit. Just walk around randomly. It's a random day today. Just randomly walking today. We walk randomly. That's what we do. So, summertime right now. It's a great day to be out and about. Got a lot of stores here. Okay, let's go. So, this is where I came in today, Portobello. Got a parking spot over there, North 6. That's actually what the lot number is. After coming here a bunch of times, you kind of learn how to find parking a little easier, because it's not so easy to find parking here sometimes, because it can be pretty crazy. So let's just stroll around. Side note, I didn't get a lot of sleep, so I'm just kind of getting warmed up here. Takes a little time to warm up sometimes with things, so we're just getting warmed up here. And the food court is up here, so we're going to stroll around like near where the food court is. And I got the microphone placed a little different, so I'm hoping there isn't a lot of sound like from the bag. Because sometimes we have zippers on the bag, and sometimes they make the sound on the microphone a bit. You hear it in the microphone a little bit, so maybe not right now. I don't see the zipper moving, so maybe okay. Every little thing, it's very good microphone. The mic 2 DJI. And we got a little big guy on the set, our Pocket 3 camera. Star of the show, shooting an HLG. Let's go. Popeyes. Always pretty busy, Popeyes. Got the Burger King here. The food court. Pretty jumping today. A lot of New York and New Jersey here. It's popular with both crowds and more others in other places also. So let's take a peek outside real quick. So Jersey Gardens has a great food court. A lot of these Simon malls really do have pretty nice food courts. The selection is okay, but yeah, so it's really nice out. So the weather is so great. Let's do a weather check. Okay, so it's 80 degrees. It's like perfect right now. That's my favorite temperature, 80 degrees. So the weather is awesome. The humidity feels like it's low. So we don't have a lot of humidity today. It's just a great day to be out and about. And yeah, summertime, it's walking season. So we're there, walking season. So let's stroll back into the mall. And we do chop videos up into episodes. So a lot of videos do have different times, of course, but some of them are shorter, some of them are a little longer. So our videos aren't exactly the same all the time. Sometimes 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
it